Hey everybody, Josh Barkey here at the MBRP Garage. Sounds like you have some carbon fiber tips, and today we're going to show you how to take care of them. The process is very similar to the stainless steel, so let's get started. Now, as you know, your carbon fiber tips are two separate pieces. We're going to start by cleaning the edge of the stainless steel. Next, give that bottle a good shake and apply a small portion to a microfiber cloth. Now, let's get to work. We're going to start by cleaning the edge of the stainless, showing inside the carbon fiber. While doing this edge, you can also apply the cleaner to the inside of the tip to give it that full clean. Now that it's evenly coated on the edge and the inside, grab a clean microfiber towel and wipe off the excess. We're now done the stainless portion. Let's talk about the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber is naturally more soft, and we suggest utilizing an oil-based cleaner to give it that deep, lustrous shine while also providing a protective barrier from moisture and oxidization. For this, we suggest utilizing SC1. When using SC1, give the product a light mist and let it sit there for 1 minute. After 1 minute, wipe off the excess spray with a clean microfiber cloth. And look at that shine. To keep your carbon fiber tips clean, go over to MBRP.com to get your cleaning kit today.